Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I did two hairstyles, a sleek high ponytail and then I did a bun. Super easy, it takes me like 5 minutes, and then turning it into the bun is super easy as well. So if you'd like to see how I got these two hairstyles, then keep on watching. Okay, so first we're gonna take our boar bristle brush, and I've never seen this done before, but I feel like it's gonna work. I always find I have trouble getting my hair like really slicked back, so I'm gonna do two separate ponytails. So I'm gonna do the first half. I'm gonna grab from about my ears up, creating, oh, I also have a line tattoo. I just got that not too long ago. Okay, we're gonna grab the top half of our hair like this, leaving about this much hair, if you can see. Sorry if you can't. Okay. And then we're just gonna brush it up to get that nice slick back. Once we have that, I'm gonna hold it and spray a little bit of this. This is the Got To Be Glued Blasting Free Spray. I just picked this up a week ago. I've used it once, but never for a slicked back ponytail. So I'm just gonna spray the top of my head with it. And then I'm gonna use this to just smooth it all back. I'll just use my hands to smooth it the best that I can. I'm gonna secure it with one of my ponytails. I'm just going to tighten it as best as I can, and it's gonna look something like this. So then, not touching the top, I'm going to grab the bottom and start to brush this upwards. You can hold on to the top ponytail. I'm just going to use this to brush it up again and smoothing it out. I don't know why I've never thought of this. Like, I struggle so much with high ponytails and I've never thought of doing it in two separate ponytails. Spray the whole back of that. My arm just got soaked in it. That smells not good. And then grabbing the whole thing together. This is what it looks like. All secure. And then I'm just gonna take that second ponytail. So then you will have something that looks like this. I don't know why I've never thought of doing this before. It's literally a hack. I'm just going to be spraying again. And then using my bristle brush to just now smooth everything back. So this is what it should look like, all slicked back, and you can't even tell, I don't think, that there's two different ponytails. And then if you want, I don't do this all the time, but if I'm wanting to look cute, I'll just take a piece of hair that's from underneath, a piece like this, and I will wrap it around my ponytail so it hides it. This just gives like a very elegant look, and then I just I use that with a bobby pin and just stick that up in my hair somewhere. It just makes it look super cute and nice. Okay, next, if I have little baby hairs that are still sticking up, I will use this Architect L'Oreal Shine Wax, and I will put this on my baby hairs. And then lastly, to control the frizz that's coming on, I'm gonna use the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Construct Creation Mousse. I always take way too much. I will just scrunch it in my hair just to control the frizz. Okay, so this is my high ponytail all complete. I'm not a professional. I really think that trick doing the two separate ponytails really helped me actually, and I'm gonna do that all the time now. Also throwing on a pair of earrings. If I do want it to be in a high bun, I will keep it in this ponytail, and I will just do the same as I do. Wrap it like this, start twirling the hair. I will wrap it, twist it around my finger, and then just, I don't know how to explain this, just twisting it pretty much, okay? And then securing it with a ponytail. For me, this would be good. I think this is very cute and sleek. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. If you would like to see more hair tutorials, please let me know down below what you would like to see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.